Hi. Hello there. I'm probably only streaming for like half an hour. But, you know, you do what you want to do. So, I want to stream for half an hour. This is the first mod that we're making from scratch, officially under the Birds with Legs studio name. We have a domain now, which probably isn't live yet. Yeah, but that's our domain, and as such, it's also our package name. Okay, that's the wrong one. I'm excited. I'm not sure this has to be... I downloaded a template for Architectory because I thought that might be required for Midnight Lib, but I'm not actually sure it is. So I'm actually gonna do this differently. I'm just going to do it from here because we have a dependency. It'd be a good day to learn Architectory if this mod, which will be a dependency of ours, weren't Fabric dependent. So. What version of Minecraft do we want to use? Should we start with the most recent? Let's just do it on the most recent Minecraft version. I'm ready to get this going. Unless this is not available for the most recent Minecraft version. It's not. We could maybe just go to the first. Let's just do the most recent version. I don't feel like finding out 1.21.2. In theory, we should be able to go back to here. We could do 1.20.6. Miss out on... Let's do 1.20.6. Because there's only been minor changes since then. That's what it means. That's what that means. Okay. What's it called? Semver, semantic versioning. 1.20.6. Wait, where were we just at? Where's the Maven? Did I close it? No. We don't need you, we don't need you. Is it here? No, no. I already did that. Forget that. It was here, was it? Oh, it was that one, not the Midnight Lib one, okay. Skips to 121 and then 121.2. Okay, it could use an update. 1.20.6. Not going to use Kotlin. We are going to use data generation. We are going to do that. Are we going to use data generation? Couldn't hurt. Couldn't hurt. I know how to do it. So if we need it, it'll be there. Okay. Let's do that again. I'm on more solid ground here anyway. Okay, we need two things. We need you and we need you. I've never done Midnight Lib either. Why is it not detecting that this is a Gradle project? Let's do this. That's more like it. Kai. Okay, this goes in repositories. Great. Dependencies. What are we? 1.20.6? 1.20.6. Okay, we've got that. Let's just go ahead and add these both at the same time. Okay. Okay, we need to replace fantasy version with O.6.3 plus 1.20.6. O.6.3, no, O.6.3 plus 1.20.6. Can I just do that? That's great. Apparently I can. I'm not a Gradle wizard. Okay. But apparently I can improvise. I think that's gonna work. Let's find out. That's step 2 in my favorite 2-step process. Okay. Okay. Okay, we get to do that later. This for, nope. Don't need that. Don't need that anymore. Don't need this. Don't need that. We will need that. We don't need that. Okay, we're good. We're down to 3 tabs. Let's start by making a command for this. I've never made a command before. Okay. They still throw an except. Okay, this is get entity or throw. will send feedback telling the sender of the command that they must be an entity. This method will require your methods to throw a command syntax exception. The entity options could return a command block entity, any living entity, or a player. Okay, I can do that. Okay. Get player or throw, that could be useful. What are we trying to do? We're trying to make a world? I don't care who makes the world. I should probably figure out how permissions work, but... Okay. The event should be registered in your mod's initializer. That's great. I have one of those, I bet. Maybe I'll just... Let's go ahead and... We don't have any code yet. Except probably... making some announcement in the log.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Okay. Great, well that's great, we did it. Well, that's cool. Wow. that's good. That's good stuff. Okay. You know what I should do? 1.20.6. Okay. This is good. I feel clever. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Here's what I'm gonna do. I've never tried to do that on here, so let's just make sure that still works. Oh. Okay. We just deleted options, so let's see if my sprint is R. Okay, so clearly the global options didn't work. But hopefully the optimizations are in. Brightness. Okay, okay, here we can test a mod. Did I enable commands? Great. Hopefully this is faster. That's much better. Okay, great. Okay, okay, that's good. This is a good environment. Yeah, let's... I'm expecting a guest to show up any minute, but perhaps before then I'll be able to get started with this. So create a command, I suppose. Okay. That. Don't need run, I need source. I love that this is the package name. I'm making it with Smexy. Okay. This is great. This is great. So this has been at least updated since 1.20. import command manager dot literal. Import command manager dot literal. Import text. Okay. Server command source dot get source. Server command source dot send feedback. Great. We're supplying a text, feedback supplier, and whether to broadcast ops. This is my supplier. Great. That's my supplier right there. And we're not broadcasting to ops. That's great. And then that's our command. Okay. This is an argument builder. What's the argument builder? That's a command manager. This is a command manager. Dot executes. No. Maybe command manager is a oh, I've got a I always forget to do that. I never know how it picks which one to use. It does them differently all the time. Done. All right. Bam. Okay. Command registration callback. This is probably a Fabric thing. Fabric. Okay. That event. Still a Fabric thing. With a command registration callback, which is also a Fabric thing. Okay. Event of type command registration callback. So this T, what's inside of here, is a command registration callback, I suppose? Or is it a supplier of a command registration callback? No, it's just T. Command registration callback. Great. No, that makes sense. Awesome. That was, okay. You would register an event listener and implement the callback. Is this the event listener? Event listener, implement the callback, and this is my callback that I'm implementing. Yeah, okay, great. Event.register, dispatcher registry access environment. This is dispatcher registry access environment. Based on these three, for example, this command is only registered on an integrated server like that. If environment.integrated, where we got environment here, register to the dispatcher, like the vanilla publish command. Register command manager dot literal integrate command execute. Command manager dot literal dot executes. Okay. So based on these three, let's do that. I like that better. Based on context, we get I don't know what this means, but that's okay. We don't need it. Context dot. Okay. We want this to work if it's client or server. We don't really want it to run both places, but whatever. Foo executes. Called foo with no arguments. Send feedback. This is the supplier. Feedback supplier. Supplies text. Text.literal. We could have this be translatable. Great. Text, mutable text. I'm not sure this is what I wanted. This is the only implement. Okay, I think I wanted this. That's what I want, text.translatable. Great. Okay, yeah, so we could turn that into a translatable text easily. Let's just go ahead and do it. Let's do it. No. Focus. We're gonna replace this with code that All dimensions must be set up through a runtime world config. This specifies how the dimension should be created involving a dimension type seed. Seed, chunk generator, so on. New runtime world config. Set dimension type is overworld. Set difficulty hard. Game rule. Do daylight cycle fall. This is interesting. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Once we have a runtime world config, creating a temporary dimension is simple. Once we have a runtime world config, creating a temporary dimension is simple. I don't need this anymore. Let's go back to this. I don't think I even need that. This is all going very well so far. Okay, I need in a command context, how do I get the server? They gave me a list of things I can do. This is the server command source. Minecraft server. Source.get server. I can do that. I have to go. Bye.